PMs will have different traits. People from business analytics by nature tend to move towards product analytics as one of the strongest skills. And people from UI UX, obviously they get stuck with UI UX and work on B2C kind of a products. And people from testing and other things, they go to cloud computing and other scalable products. So now, first you have to decide before doing most of these, you have to decide who you are and where you're going to focus depending on your strengths or depending on your plan where you wanted to get to. So I think Priyanka was mentioning about the healthcare segment, right?
Yes, yes, Suresh.
Yes. So same way now in healthcare also, that is the level one. In level two also, you have to decide as a PM, am I going to focus on healthcare B2C products where you have to do a lot of research and analytics, or I'm going to be a B2B product where I think mostly on long term, like Salesforce, Slack, all of this. So be specific about what's your strength. Okay. So UI UX, analytics, and what else? Stakeholder management, priorities, budgeting, partnerships, all this, because it is off from product management. I want to be very specific. These are the things which falls there. So you guys have to decide on which of this is going to be your strength. Definitely one of this is going to be strength. Otherwise, you can't be a PM. So you have to decide for, I think, Priyanka again, because I saw a resume and I remember you're obviously going to be on the tech side of things also.
Yeah.
And just pick two things. Pick two things. That combo is what is going to make a generalist than an expert. For product manager, generalist is the important thing you need to know. That you need to know more than one thing. Just being tech, you will stay in tech. Just knowing UI UX, you'll be a designer or a front-end developer. So a combination of any of these two is where you will widen your perspective. So Priyanka, what will be your other one other than tech?
Other than tech, it will be project management, because in my current role also I do a lot of stakeholder management and priorities. These are the two things that I work a lot on.
Okay, awesome. And Akshay, what about you, bro?
So I've been into say analytics or project management.
Okay, got it.
So just one question here. So when you say means as a again with what we have been being taught since like 3-4 months, the product management revolves around a lot of many things. So
Yes.
so you are saying that we'll have to be expertise in like 1 or 2 fields.
No. What I'm telling is, you have to do almost everything. When you ask me, I do all of this, by the way. Okay. But what you're known for, because by nature you'll do that easily because you like it.
Okay.
Slowly over the time, you will be known for those. I'm known for UI UX and tech.
Okay.
More than stakeholder management and other things, I usually tend to push that away. The more and more senior you become in the industry, you get to choose one of this and get expertise on it and get more supporting functions to help you on other things. I don't write SQL query also, by the way. I still don't know fully. I don't really care. When somebody asks me, do you know SQL? I laugh. Why would I need to know? I'll recruit 4 more people to do that for me.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So for you to dominate on something and go deeper, it's always better to be known for something. And it's not about picking. It's about knowing yourself. This is never picking.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. And Abhishek, you bro, how about you? Especially because we are a very small group. That's why I'm spending time on getting to know. It's going to help because we are going to be in touch for a long time.
So you are asking for me about my interest, right?
Yeah. What you are good at?
Yeah,
There are four things here, right? What are you good
again I am good at project management.
at? Okay. And another one?
And I'm again good with the designing part. Like I look at things like how they can be designed or very planned.
Perfect.
Not that good, but yes, on a.
No, you don't have to be expert. That's what I'm telling, right? When I'm good at tech, when I tell I'm good at tech, I don't even know SQL. So okay, there. That's why I specified that. When I'm good at tech, it doesn't mean that I have to code.
Yeah. So on my current role, I am directly working with tech team and the founders itself. So I have like many things to look at it, or maybe I can see like I want to give a try, or I want to give a shot with your anything project.
Okay, got it. And also, when I asked you guys to be part of the LinkedIn, let's not make it once in a week session, right? Like this. We are going to get to know each other a lot more than where we are now. So you guys create a content, I'll participate and I'll share my opinion. And you guys do the same whenever I generate content and if it is relevant to you, so that it doesn't feel like we weak.
Hi Suresh. My core thing is not even in the list. So I'm good at identifying pain areas, and yeah, it's more on the process improvement. I'm good at identifying pain areas and then improving processes because my core job is business operations. That's what I do. But of course, I'm good at project management as well, especially on stakeholder
solving
engagement.
problems. Sorry to interrupt. Solving problem is going to be the strength. This one thing I can tell for all of you: when somebody asks you what is product management, just tell them you are a problem solver and nothing else, and those people are going to understand what you tell. So problem solving is, I understand, that's by trait you are a good problem solver. That's why you are even interested in something like this. And picking one of this project management, I would really recommend for you to shadow on one of the other three, which is going to help you in long term. Project management, I can understand because you're the guy who gets things done on offside of things. But understanding any of these three, find which one is closer to you or more relevant, and also try to up the game in that also.
Okay. Sorry, just to kind of get some clarity, when you say analytics, do you mean to the extent of using our software
No,
and so on, or
not at all.
on Excel, analyzing data on Excel could also do?
Anything, man. Analytics, see, that's why I chose my words very clearly. I did not specify design. I was very clear about UI UX. Analytics, again, a very wide word. Can be anything, as you mentioned, right? So tech is also, again, a very wide word. When I mention about this, you don't have to actually specify where you are at that skill. It's about your interest, and you're going to stay with that. So analytics can actually be understanding what's going wrong by using numbers. Simple.
Okay.
It can be using any analytics tools. It can be using some calculations on the Excel, or it can be some fancy analytics tools like Amplitude, where you understand the user behavior, check the heat maps, where people clicking. Can be any extent.
Okay.
Yeah, once if you know the definition, it's going to be easy for you to define it more focused.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. That's great. Did I miss anybody, or I covered?
Audible now?
Yeah. Yes, finally.
Yes, thank you. I work in sales and marketing department, and maybe based upon that, I would say I'm good at partnerships and then stakeholder management.
No. All of this actually belongs to just project management.
No, correct. What I said is, with my experience and whatever the work that I have done, based upon that, predominantly I look after partnerships and then stakeholder management, and that is something that I had experience and good at.
Okay, I think so. You would also be good at analytics because you guys would also do ROI calculations for the partnerships. Whom do you partner with? How to convert?
So ROI calculation, we don't do that. maybe of course we do competition analysis.
Those are the ones, bro. That's what I meant. So when you do analysis, by competitive analysis, again you check about numbers. What's their reach? How are they doing? How are they relevant to us? The research part itself is part of analytics. If you don't know, just putting it out there in a different way.
I was not aware of that. Thanks for.
Yeah. So analysis can be as simple as finding some solution on Google, by the way, because the whole development in India is happening like this. Just Stack Overflow is tech. If somebody knows how to put all the Legos together, they are decent developers these days. So analytics can be as simple as Googling the right thing and getting to know how to work on something.